Ladies and gentlemen, we have come all the way into Loliem to show you this stone. This is a hero stone, and like I always tell you, there is this friend of mine who is a passionate stone lover. Whether it is a hero stone, whether it is a sati stone, whether it is a menhir, or whether it is a natural formation. This man has lovely stories today, and his name is Sarvesh Borkar. I am going to ask him to come here and explain to you what this thing is about. Sarvesh Bab, please welcome to my show, My Goem.
Thanks. Thank you very much for inviting me to this place. Basically, this hero stone, if you see the carvings on this, it shows of some prominent person. You can see a prominent person sitting here on the special stone throne. Basically, here we can see him sitting on this with his wife. All his courtiers are shown here. Here we can see the funeral cremation which was held. So this was basically a hero stone. This proves that it was a hero stone, since it is a cremation fire which has been shown. Here the war which had taken place, it has been depicted. So basically this has five panels, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The most prominent panel is of this goddess Lakshmi or Bhauka Devi, which we call. It shows the goddess of wealth, since he was a prominent person, most probably a
Royalty?
maybe a royalty figure, or maybe even a king.
Okay.
But as a king we cannot see the umbrella or this, so he must be a royalty figure. So because a throne has been depicted here, which we can similar stone thrones can be seen in Banwasi.
Okay.
In Kadamba's which was one of the Kadamba capital.
What about that face on top?
This is Kirti Mukh or Makar, we also call it. This can be prominently seen in the Kadamba temples, but this carving of Kirti Mukh is of later Kadamba period. It is not of the same type which is in Kadamba Tamde Sulla. It's only it is different.
Okay, okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here you are, one of the most beautifully, intricately cut out hero stone that you see over here, and more importantly, preserved.